Hello, my name is Aaron Heiberger, and I am the lead developer for Team cropshare. During iteration 4, I was tasked with completing the email reset um, story for the password. And unfortunately, I didn't make very much progress. I spent a lot of my time kind of, just the wheels kind of spinning. I did get the port 25 unblocked on AWS's end, but I was never able to actually send any emails. It still wouldn't work. After some research, I think it requires a domain name to work properly. Other than that, I've had to make the decision to change how the reset's going to work. It's to where you enter your email and it just goes directly to reset. It's not secure at all. I don't like it being a part of the final production version of the program, but I think it'll have to do for now. It will be able to test. It will be able to test actually sending in the email data to the reset page, and then the reset page actually resetting the password for that particular email. So we will have that hopefully complete by the end of tonight. With that, thank you and have a nice night.
Well, my name is Tristan. I'm doing the availability portion of cropshare currently as of right now. Uh, I don't have any deliverables that I can show you or anything. With the alteration of being able to see into the future for the availability to get the transaction day, I had to restructure a couple of items in the background. So I'm going to be working on that here shortly to get that finished up. Um, since this is going to be our last iteration, hopefully we're going to be able to get it done by next Monday, which is the 23rd. So then we'll be able to spruce up everything to your liking before the actual iteration is completely over, before our big deadline. Um, but yeah, so I'll be working on that. If there's any modifications or anything that need to be made, please throw it our way, so we'll make it quickly.
Hello, this is Dui. I'm cropshare team, and for this iteration, we not finish too much, but we just make our progress, and we just do a lot of things about our MySQL, and we still stuck on how to show the things in website. So it's kind of tough, but we will figure out this iteration. And for next iteration, we plan to do some interactive tutoring, some update, post-it, and some login part. So we will good. Yeah, thank you.
Alright, so for this iteration, I worked on the secure login spike, which is just doing some research over different methods of having a login where uh, either we uh, keep track of who's doing what using a role-based idea where we know who's a farmer and who's a grocer, um, just down to making sure everything is secure as it should be. And then additionally, I'm looking at the profile page, or I'm sorry, profile picture, which is for the users on the website so that they can have a way to customize their own experience. And I am still working on that one. And then of course, updating the tutorial help page, and it is up to date for the current website. So those were my assignments for this iteration.
My name is Mike Lieb, and this iteration I worked on the profile page for the cropshare project. I worked on this settings modal, and not a lot of time was spent on this, but a lot of time was spent on connecting this modal and its inputs to the database And so eventually users will be able to change their name, change their contact information, and change their zip code in order for, and then have that information saved permanently. And so that when they log back in next time, that will all be changed as they desire it to be. My name is Mike Lieb.
Hello, I'm Jerry, and for this iteration, I was able to complete the user stories that allowed the grocers and farmers to update produce wanted and produce needed, and also delete produce wanted and produce needed. But majority of this iteration, I spent my time researching on how to output the database information from basically from the database to the HTML page so we could see it on the website. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to come across ways to do that yet. I've implemented 3 ways and led to no results. So once we get that figured out, everything will be all right.
Hello, my name is Tyler Riddle. I'm a member of the cropshare development team. This iteration, I have continued to work on allowing the user to post their produce to the marketplace. Most of the code at this point has been written. However, it still needs to be tested and possibly reworked to fit with the rest of the code base.